The cordless vacuum revolution is upon us, and there's no turning back. Gone are the days of wrangling with yards of cord, stooping to find the right outlet, and then, with one wrong move, hearing the power cut off and seeing the plug and cord tangle beneath you. In reality, the cordless vacuum doesn't seem like a revolutionary idea, but ergonomically, it is head and shoulders above it. Reaching cobwebs in the corner of a ceiling and vacuuming crevices, baseboards, and windowsills are all done with a flick of the wrist. Best of all, you're no longer tethered to the location of an outlet. Making the switch to a cordless vacuum just makes a lot of sense. Your cordless vacuum will always be ready at a moment's notice, and it will charge itself during its downtime. In today's video, we are reviewing a very interesting product in that category, the MOOSOO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner K17 Pro. Let's get into unboxing. So what's in the box? You'll get one main motor, an LED motorized brush, one charger and storage bracket, one crevice nozzle, one cleaning brush, and lastly, one aluminum alloy tube. Design and features. With a weight of 2.84 pounds, this is an exceptionally lightweight vacuum cleaner. Using just one hand, you can pick up the vacuum and operate it. When you need to put it away, you'll find that doing so is incredibly easy, due to the small size of this vacuum cleaner and its lack of weight. The small form factor and the convenience that it brings is one of the most notable features of this vacuum cleaner. It offers convenience and mobility, and allows you to clean nearly any surface or space, which is something that most vacuum cleaners don't offer. Most of the time, you'll probably be using the vacuum cleaner as a stick vacuum, which is the primary mode. Using this vacuum as a stick vacuum allows you to move the vacuum across the floors that you need to vacuum, just as you would a stick vacuum. It also features a great adjustable handle system so you can adjust to your height for maximum comfort. The big difference is the fact that this vacuum cleaner is thin and lightweight, which makes it easier for you to move it across those surfaces, and to move it within tight and narrow spaces that a standard upright vacuum would be unable to reach. Of course, using this vacuum in that manner isn't the only option. You can also turn the vacuum into a handheld vacuum, or you can remove the floor head and use the stick vacuum to clean on ceilings and walls. When using the handheld vacuum mode, you also have access to a small brush. This is a simple brush that is great for removing light clumps of dust and loosening up thin clumps of hair. For cleaning in tight and narrow crevices, nooks, and crannies, you have the crevice nozzle attachments. Using it allows you to vacuum in those small spaces and to remove whatever dirt, dust, or debris is within them. Sometimes you'll need to reach spaces and areas that are just too far away for you to reach. That's where the stretchable hose comes in. Using this stretchable hose, you're able to extend the reach of this stick vacuum, which allows you to then clean the spaces and areas that weren't able with the other attachments. It also features a high-efficiency particulate air filter HEPA, complete sealing design, and high-density HEPA filter, which captures 99.99% of the microscopic dust, isolating fine dust, dirt, debris, sawdust, ashes, chips, and powders. HEPA is washable and recyclable. While all of those features are excellent, they wouldn't be nearly as useful or as helpful if this vacuum was lacking in suction power. Fortunately though, it isn't, and it's one of the most powerful stick vacuums that we tested. The suction power comes from a high-speed motor which is capable of generating 24 kilopascal of suction. But the motor only generates that suction power if you're using max mode. If you're using the regular suction mode, then you'll be using about 11 kilopascal of suction. Using 11 kilopascal of suction, you're able to vacuum most surfaces with ease. But for thicker rugs, carpets, and upholstery surfaces, it isn't always ideal. That's where max mode comes in, because with max mode, you're able to vacuum on any surface, and you're able to vacuum up just about anything. While this vacuum is excellent overall, the biggest flaw of this vacuum I can think of is that its battery life is somewhat lacking. However, you do have the option to buy extra batteries if needed, as you can detach a battery easily and put in a new one. If you use the max mode, you'll only have around 20 minutes of battery life. But on the regular suction mode, it's 40 minutes, which is much better. So, what I like about this vacuum. I like how it comes with multiple attachments, the dustbin is easy to empty, and there's detachable and rechargeable battery system. What I'd change? Well, battery life is not good, but bigger battery means more weight. Overall, the MOOSOO is a great option for those looking for a lightweight, cordless vacuum at an affordable price. Since it has a limited runtime, up to 30 to 40 minutes per charge, it's best suited for smaller homes. If you can look past the short battery life and are looking for a vacuum cleaner that is mobile, convenient, and reliable, then the MOOSOO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner K17 Pro is a fantastic choice. As always, thank you for checking out our review. Also, if you are interested to learn more about this product, we provided the links below in the description. If you like and found this video helpful, do not forget to give a like, comment, and a subscribe. Later!